movie I'm going to show you how to make a contact sheet from your images. And you can see I have these images that have already been renamed. I like renaming them so they're organized. It also gives me a reference to the file that I can see, not only the visual reference but the file name too. So what I'm going to do is select all of these. So I can just select this in Bridge, select the first one. You can select the last one by holding Shift. It will select them all, or you can just select all. And once those images are selected, I'm going to go to Tools, Photoshop, Contact Sheet 2. And what this is going to do then is now open this script in Photoshop. And this is built into Photoshop. It gives you the option of where to take the source images. And we're pulling these from Bridge. And then it's going to organize this on a page. So you can specify its size. I'm just going to do an 8.5 by 11, just in case I ever needed to print that. That's a pretty standard size. And then the resolution at 300 pixels per inch. And it gives you the thumbnail size, and we've got we're going to go across the board in a column of 5 and rows of 4. This is going to automatically kind of space everything. It's also going to rotate images to fit better in the rows. And then I've also added a font file name caption, and I've made that a pretty small 9 point. So you'll see the results. As you hit OK, Photoshop does its magic. And you can see it will take a little bit to process these. And depending on the file size of your images and how many you have, it might take more time. But it'll automatically create those. So you can see if we have a row of 4 images across, excuse me, 5 across and 4 down, you can see it fits them all. So this is nice because then we can quickly look at this and say which ones are stronger, which ones are more interesting, which ones might have issues with exposure or composition or whatever we're looking at. So, and some jump right off the page. I can see I really like this one. I think it's kind of interesting. This one's got some interesting light happening to it. But this will be a tool that we'll use that we can quickly look at our work and give each other feedback. But this is how you make a contact sheet.